Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching Approaching Driving. And today we're going to be adding some washer wiper fluid to the car. And I know that most of the people probably know how to do it, and that's why I'm going to show it. First of all, in order to add washer wiper fluid, you need to know where to open the hood, right? Because in most of the cars, the washer wiper fluid reservoir is under the hood. So in order to do that, first we need to open the trunk. And in most of the cars, trunk opens to the left of the steering wheel, right here. On some of the cars like BMWs, you pull it twice and it opens, and on the others like this Hyundai Elantra, you pull it once and then you look for a knob over here. So then you find the knob right here and you open up the hood. Next thing you need is the washer wiper fluid. That I happen to have right here. Okay, so now we need to find out where we're gonna add the wiper fluid to, and thankfully for us it says it right here. And they usually have a blue cap, assuming some cars might have other. I'll put the camera here. There we go, and like so. Usually they open right up, and then you buy one of these. I would say that they're sold everywhere. Canadian Tire, I would say that's probably the best place to buy it for the price. They obviously sold in all the gas stations, but they're gonna be overcharging. So then you just crack open this baby, and you just, it's better to go on the side, not the front of the bottle, and you just go like that. Perfection. That's not, will not do that. Well, and that's it. Just close up the lid. Make sure it's closed. Close up the hood. And there we go. And you have your washer wiper fluid refilled. Now, in general, I personally can think of 3 scenarios when a person would be adding some washer fluid to their car. First scenario is if the person keeps up with all the maintenance and servicing their car on time, so they're probably going to be putting a little bit more during like their oil change or regular checkup. The second scenario is usually when the light on the dash lights up. Well, this car didn't, well, it was showing it before, but right when I was filming the video, obviously it needed not to show the symbol that I need. Yeah, so the second scenario would be if a person sees an indication lamp and that tells him or her that, you know, your washer wiper fluid is low, so you got to put some in. And the third scenario would be probably if a person saw or heard someone from someone else. So hopefully this video is going to make some of you check your washer wiper fluid. It's winter season in the North America and Europe. Check your washer wiper fluid. Have everything in your car that you need. For everyone who didn't know how to do it, hopefully now you know. Find where the hood opens, open up the hood, find the usually blue lid. Could be something else, but it has to say washer fluid on it, and yeah, put it right in there. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Approaching Driving. I hope everyone enjoyed. Stay tuned for new videos. Like this video, subscribe. Write in the comments on which cars do they have an unusual place for a washer wiper fluid reservoir that's not under the hood. So write in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.